Hello everybody. So sometimes I have people ask me the difference between Gutterglove Pro and Leafblaster Pro. So what I'm going to do is show you in a video. We're doing an installation. Take a look here. On this house in Ballantyne Country Club, Ricardo and Jorge are installing, and let me show you these different products. Gutterglove Pro. Here's a piece of Gutterglove Pro. Heavier duty guard with stainless steel mesh. And then Leafblaster Pro. Lighter duty. So on this house, what we're doing is we're installing Leafblaster on the top because the customer Terry is on a fairly tight budget, and we're doing the Pro on the bottom for him. He's got a very large amount of footage, so this will help him out to save a few dollars and yet still get the same level of protection. Leafblaster Pro and Gutterglove Pro.